Facing the clock application. Not loading issue in Windows 11? Stay tuned for the fixes. Search clock in search box. Right-click on Clock App from search result and click on App Settings. Locate the Reset section and click on Repair. Once the repair process completes, check if the error is fixed. In case the problem is not solved, then click on Reset under the Reset section. Click on Reset again in the confirmation prompt. Check if the clock application loads after the reset is complete. Press the Windows key and type PowerShell in the search box. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and choose Run as Administrator. Type the command below and hit Enter to remove the clock application from your PC. Get AppEx package Microsoft.Windows alarms vertical bar. Remove AppEx package. Perform a reinstall of the app using the command below. Get AppEx package losers Microsoft.Windows alarms vertical bar. For each, add AppEx package disable development mode. Register $$ install location AppEx manifest.xml. Try to open the clock application to see if the issue is fixed. Open Microsoft Store. Click on Library. Click on Get Updates and update all apps including Clock App. Open Run using the Windows and R keys combination. Type CMD and press Ctrl+Shift+Enter to open command prompt as administrator. Enter the command below and execute it. sfc/scano wait for the scan to check for errors and repair them. If the problem persists, then execute the command below in the command prompt. DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health. Once the DISM command completes, reboot your PC. Check if the problem is solved. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.